solve the following equation for all solutions. Now if you notice, we have a sine square, so therefore we have a quadratic equation. Whenever you have a quadratic equation, you want to make it equal to 0 to see if we can factor it. So therefore I'm going to move both of them to the left hand side. First I'm going to write down my sine square. So sine square of 3x. That's a positive, becomes a negative 2 sine square of sine of 3x. There's no square. And that becomes a positive 1, equal to 0. Now that it's equal to 0, I can go ahead and see if I can factor it. If I'm not able to factor it, then I have to use the quadratic formula. Factors of sine square of 3x will give me sine of 3x multiplied by sine of 3x will give me sine square of 3x. Factors of 1 will give me 1 and 1. That's a positive, so they should have the same sign, and they need to end up to a negative 2, so therefore they both should be negative. And now I can use my zero product property. Since they're multiplying and they're equal to 0, I know that at least one of them should be equal to 0. And if you notice, they're exactly the same, so I'm just going to solve for 1 because it'll give me the same answer on both. And now I can solve it. So I'm looking for the sine of an angle is equal to 1. So therefore, I'm going to place my x and y axis. Sine is your y value. It has to be positive 1. So the only one that we have here is 0, 1. The y value is 1. And since we're working with the x, we're looking for radians. So therefore, that'll be pi over 2. So therefore, 3x, your angle, which is 3x, is equal to pi over 2. I'm going to solve for x by dividing by 3 on both sides. That cancels. I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. It'll be 1 over 3. So therefore, x is equal to pi over 6. That will be the only answer if they're asking me to solve only between 0 and 2 pi. But now, I need to be able to find all the repetitions every time that the value repeats. Since we're working with sine of 3x, your period is 2 pi divided by b. In this case, it will be 3. So therefore, all of your solutions will be identified as the following. X is equal to pi over 6 plus 2 pi over 3 n. And n can be any integer. So where n is an integer. And that'll be your answer. So this will identify all of the solutions, including the duplicates or repetitions.